Krishna's joke. I gave you 2 precious days of this life to celebrate again. You took me throughout the whole time of living to tune my sound back. What is the reality around, created with me inside and you by me? Gramophone? Cozy flat? Far from the story of the heroes with living cross or holy grail outside. It's just a reminder which just remains in the heart of the hearts. It's our moment where we're eternal, unmoved, untouched, one day and night. It's just the promise kept by love, made in the language that's been forgotten since 100 lives. It's just the all about us. What is this all about?